Welcome to Restaurant Management System. Let's enter username and password to login. Select company name and branch. Branch can be central branch or sub branch. As we see here, we can find different modules. First is global configuration, which is a base for all modules used for operations and settings. Payroll is about loan and also payroll details. Production deals with menu items, store items with central branch and sub branch. Vehicle module includes all the details of vehicle. KOT kitchen order token includes table master, mobile login creation, manage waiter and other details. Reports can be generated as we enter data in other modules. So let's go through one by one. Global configuration, we have configurations, masters, admin data bank and locations. First is configuration, access, role and approval master. To go through is, first we need to check whether we have data under employee master. So we have already 44 existing record. Let's check one of the existing one. This has official details. Communication address, if it's required we can enter. Permanent address, and then comes personal details. This was about employee master, so we already have one existing record, that is Durga Pradad. Let's check for access master. This form is to provide access for an employee over this project. Let's check one of the existing access. Durga Pradad have access over Aspelec company and its sub branches T Nagar, Anand Nagar and Besant Nagar. We can also provide separate username. If we have to add new access, go here and you can give the desired access. This was about access master. Let's move on to role master. This form is to provide role for an individual employee for an individual module. So let's check one of the existing record. Here designation HR manager, role name manager has access over global configuration. He or she will not be access for payroll. He'll be having access over masters under production module. And then click on submit. This was about role master. Let's move on to approval master. This form is used when we have hierarchy in our company. Suppose there is a grade 1, grade 2 and grade 3. Grade 1 can be a director, grade 2 product manager and grade 3 waiter. When waiter applies for loan, then it will be approved by grade 2, that is product manager. Let's check one of the existing record. So here it will be approved by approver, which is grade 2, and final approver is grade 1, that is director. And select all the required fields. This was about approval master, which is used when we have hierarchy. Let's move on to masters and company. Here we can enter company details. Let's check one of the existing record. To add new company details, click on this button and give the required fields. This was about company master, and then comes branch master. We can have n number of branches under each company. So these are the fields under branch master. Let's move on to department. We can provide different departments under branch and company name. To give new department details, click here. And let's move on to designation master. We can give different designations under company name. To add new designation, click on this button, select company name and designation, and you can save it. And then comes employee master. We have already seen it. Manual attendance. We can have employees manual attendance through this module. If I select Karthik and select from week 3rd to 8th, so we can enter manually whether he was present, absent for the entire week, and click on submit. It will be generated under different reports. This was about masters. Let's move on to admin data bank. Admin data bank has category. We can have different types of category under each company, whether the employee can be part-time, permanent, temporary. To add new category, click here and enter new category name. This was about category master, and then comes grade. We can have different grades as per the level of employees. Holiday master is to select date from when to when and provide the holiday name. Christmas or Holi or anywhere, anything we can give. Here are different options. Holiday is fixed every year and restricted. Fixed is for applied for everyone and restricted for one set of employees where they want to celebrate the Christmas, and other set if they are out of station or if they are available to work, then they can work. Christmas already exists. This was about holiday master. Then holiday transaction master. The same can be transferred to other branches. It can be applicable for other branches. To add new holiday transaction, we can provide the desired fields. And here is the relationship master, where we can enter mother, sister, brother. Let me provide sister. Click on submit, which will be reflected under employee master. This is used under employee master. Restricted holidays. There are no such restricted holidays. Let's move on to locations. Country master, where we can enter different types of country, which will be used under different applications. State master is to enter different states under selected company name. To add new state, we can click here and provide the state name. And then comes district, where we can enter different types of district under country and state name. To add new district, click here and provide the required details. And here is the city. To add new city, we already have 2 existing record. This was all about global configuration. Thank you.